was absolutely wonderful.
It was amazing. It was so explosive. Carmen, I just love how dramatic she is and how much she follows her heart. I think she's a very emotional character.
She sets the whole opera right from the start with her confidence and her empowerment as a young woman. Baritone, I loved Botetost, that song, that was amazing.
Such a great experience. It's got everything really, the set and the costume, as well as amazing music and vocals. You might recognise more music than you think you would, so it's good for all the family probably.
Fantastic entertainment, amazing talent on your doorstep. A real privilege to be there.
Gwych, ysbrydoledig, y gerddoriaeth yn wreiddiol, anhygoel. Dewch i weld e.